great. Another one from J Fano Music. It's coming out soon under House of Jam Entertainment. The album is gonna be called Sounds of House of Jam. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be perfect. Um, it's wonderful, man. This is the original blueprint of the song. If you don't have the original blueprint of the song, you don't have the original track of the song. So I produced it. Marvelous.